I was appointed at Smith, that was incredibly big news. The New York Times did an article where they talked about my background. And this was the first time in all of those years that people had known me in higher education, the first time people had any idea of what my background was. It was a shock to people. But more importantly, that newspaper article brought me letters from all around the country from people who said, if you can do what you've done, I believe that I can too. I didn't understand until that moment the importance of my example for people. That was the first time in my entire career that I understood that we stand for something for young people everywhere in what we do and in how we do it.